morning student. Last time we have discussed about the definition of set, what is the set, how sets are formed, and now we will continue that how to write the set, methods of writing a set, and some additional examples from the exercise 1.1. Okay, now methods of writing set. First one is rule method, that is and second one is the roster form, or it is also called as listing method. Listing method or roster form. Now difference between both of these is that suppose I am going to write by the rule method. Just an example. See here, rule method first. Let suppose A is the set and this set contains the element as X is such that X is the letter in word division. Now this is the set given to you is in a rule method. Accordingly, we have to write this rule method set in a listing form or listing method. In a listing method, set A is, see here, X. What is X? A letter in a word. Letter, what are the letter in a word? D, I, V, I, S, I, O, N. Means you have to convert this rule method into a listing method. See here. D, then I, V. All these are known as the elements of the set. All these are known as the elements of the set. First element is D, second one is I, then V. Next one is again I, but according to rule of the set, we can't repeat the same element, so that we'll write here as again O, then N. You have to keep in mind no element is repeated while writing a set in a listing method. Again, this is also known as the roster form. Means listing method is nothing but a roster form. Now you clear that this set A is in rule method and this is in a listing method. Now another example for here. Suppose according to rule method B is equal to X is such that X is square root of 9. X is such that X is the square root of 9 according to rule method. Now what will you write here according to roster form? B is equal to square root of 9 is 3 comma minus 3. Now why it is this? Because square root of 9 is not only 3 but also minus 3, because when you square 3 square is equal to 9, also minus 3 square is equal to also 9. Again, one more thing students, especially you see here this bracket, this is known as the curly bracket. What is known as the curly bracket? In Marathi, मही रपी कंस. We always write elements of set in a curly bracket. Always write your elements of every set in a curly bracket. This is the basic rule of sets. Okay student, I hope so you got it. Now we will take some example like this notations. This sign is called as belongs to. What is this sign? Belongs to. This sign called as not belongs to. What is that? Not belongs to. Now students, see here exercise or practice set 1.1, example number 2. According to example number 2, we have to write some notations form in a word, or given example in a word or statement form. You are given that 4/3 belongs to Q. 4/3 belongs to Q. We have to write this in the form of set or in a statement form. How will you write? 4/3 is an element of Q. 4/3 is an element of Q. Again, number 2. -2 does not belong to N. It is written as -2 is not an element of N. N is the natural number. You may write here also -2 is not an element of natural number. Number 3, P is equal to such that P is an odd number. P is the odd number. Now we have to write this statement in word. See here, this is in statement form, word form. Set P is the set of all small p's. This is the apostrophe s to this small p. This is capital P. Again, set P is the set of all p's. Set of all p's